Exporting the title of a project. So here I have a title. All right, so this right here, gray walls, is a title. So if I go over into my graphics here, all right, and you can see here I got this gray walls hole number 9 as a title right here. So if I want to export that, let's say I want to use that in other projects, I can right click on this thing and I can export as a motion graphics template. I'm going to click on that. I give it a name, um, such as gray walls, all right, whole number, and I'm going to put it in my local templates folder, and I can put some keywords in here, and I say OK. And that's going to list it when I go to browse. Let me cancel here. When I go to browse and I have all these, this is going to create one of these in here then. So if you're going to use, if you made something special, this isn't all that special, but if you made something really special and you think you will use that in other projects, you just simply right click on it and export it as a motion graphics template. And you want to leave it in the local template folder and it will populate in here, and that way you can reuse it again on another project. So this is exporting the title of a project as a motion graphics template.